What if I told you that everything I've learned over 13 years on YouTube could be yours in the next 19 minutes? Today, I'm giving you the entire playbook. Forget vague advice. This is a proven, step-by-step framework to take you from zero to a channel that actually gets views and builds a real community. I'll show you how to handle failure, find a niche that isn't saturated, and create endless video ideas. You'll learn how to test your ideas before filming and how to package your videos so people actually click. If you're stuck or just starting out, this is for you. By the end, you'll have a complete roadmap, no more guessing. So, grab a notebook, turn off your notifications, and let's start your YouTube career right now. Before anything else, you need the right mindset. I call it the Super Mario effect. When you play Mario, you don't quit after falling into a pit. You learn, restart, and try again. Treat YouTube the same way. Your first videos will probably flop, and that's okay. Every failed video is just feedback, not a reflection of your worth. Analyze what went wrong. Bad title, boring thumbnail, slow intro, and use it as data for next time. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. The creators who win are the ones who see every flop as a lesson, not a defeat. Don't quit after a few failures. Embrace the process, get curious, and keep playing the game. Every video is a chance to respawn, learn, and level up. This mindset is the foundation for everything else. Without it, nothing else matters. Now, define your win condition. What are you actually optimizing for? Is it money, freedom, experiences, or impact? Be specific. Your goal shapes your entire strategy. Someone chasing financial freedom will make different choices than someone chasing impact. Write down your number one goal. I want to make $5,000 a month so I can quit my job is better than I want to make money. This clarity will guide every decision and save you years of wasted effort. Your why dictates your how. Don't skip this step. This single decision defines your YouTube journey. With your mindset and goal set, it's time to find your niche. This is one of the most important steps in your YouTube journey, and it's where many creators either set themselves up for success or get stuck spinning their wheels. Your niche is more than just a topic. It's the unique space you'll occupy in the vast world of YouTube, and it will shape everything from your content ideas to your audience and growth potential. Don't just follow your passion. Find the intersection of what you like, what has an audience, and where there's a gap. Imagine 3 overlapping circles: your interests, what people are searching for, and what's missing in the current landscape. The sweet spot is right in the middle, where all 3 meet. This is where you'll have the most fun, the best chance of building an audience, and the least competition. Start by researching smaller channels in your area of interest. These channels are often overlooked, but they can reveal a lot about what's working and what isn't. Look for creators who are just a few steps ahead of where you want to be, and pay attention to the types of videos they make, their upload frequency, and how their audience responds. Are they getting consistent views? That's a good sign. Consistent engagement means there's a real audience for this content, not just a one-off viral hit. Look for patterns in their view counts, likes, and comments. These are clues that the niche has staying power. Make a list of 5 to 10 successful small channels and study them. What formats work? What's missing? Are there certain video styles or topics that get more attention? Take notes on what you like and what you think could be improved. This research will help you spot opportunities to do something different or better. Dive into the comment section of these channels. What are viewers asking for in the comments? Are there repeated questions, requests, or frustrations? Sometimes, the best ideas come directly from the audience. They'll tell you what they want if you're willing to listen. Look for the gap. Maybe it's a different style, better visuals, or a unique angle. Perhaps you notice that most channels in your niche are very serious, but there's room for a more lighthearted or entertaining approach. Or maybe the production quality is lacking, and you can stand out with better editing or visuals. Think of your channel as the taco spot in a town full of Italian restaurants. Stand out by filling an unmet need. If everyone is doing the same thing, viewers will quickly lose interest. But if you offer something fresh and different, you'll attract people who are looking for exactly what you provide. Immerse yourself in the niche, watch content, read comments, and understand the audience's frustrations and desires. The more you know about your potential viewers, the better you can serve them. Try to put yourself in their shoes. What are they searching for? What problems do they have? What would make their experience better? Find patterns and spot what's missing. Maybe there's a topic that's barely covered or a question that never gets answered. These gaps are your opportunities to shine and become the go-to creator in your space. Don't rush this step. Choosing the right niche is your foundation. Take your time to analyze, reflect, and make sure you're picking a space that excites you and has real potential. It's better to spend a few extra days now than to waste months on a niche that doesn't fit. If you get it right, everything else becomes easier. Your content ideas will flow, your audience will grow, and you'll enjoy the process much more. The right niche gives you momentum and makes the YouTube grind feel a lot less like work. If you get it wrong, you'll struggle to grow. You might feel stuck, frustrated, or burnt out, wondering why your hard work isn't paying off. That's why this research is so crucial. Do the research now, and you'll thank yourself later. A well-chosen niche is the secret ingredient to a thriving YouTube channel, so invest the time and effort. It's absolutely worth it. Now, craft your value proposition, the reason someone should watch you over anyone else. Answer this in one sentence. Who are you helping? What problem are you solving? And what makes you unique? For example, I teach busy moms to cook 30-minute healthy meals with only 5 ingredients. Be specific about your audience and your promise. Use your value proposition as a filter for every video idea. If it doesn't fit, don't make it. This keeps your channel focused and instantly understandable. Write your value proposition down and keep it visible. Refine it as you learn more about your audience. A clear value proposition is the difference between a professional channel and a random hobby. Start with a strong hypothesis and adjust as you grow. Most people freeze when it's time to make videos. The pressure to be original, creative, and engaging can feel paralyzing, especially when you're staring at a blank page or an empty content calendar. But what if you could break through that block and never worry about running out of ideas again? Here's a powerful method to ensure you always have inspiration. Write 100 video titles. This isn't about perfection. It's about building momentum and training your creative muscles. The act of writing so many ideas forces your brain to dig deeper, past the obvious, and into truly unique territory. Break it down into 10 days. Each day, challenge yourself to come up with 10 clickable, intriguing titles. Don't worry about filming or scripting yet. Just focus on brainstorming. By spreading it out, you avoid burnout and give your mind time to make new connections. To spark ideas, study what's already working. Analyze popular videos in your niche. Look for patterns in formats, hooks, and topics. Notice what gets people to click, and think about how you can put your own spin on those trends. Inspiration is everywhere if you know where to look. Don't be afraid to use technology to your advantage. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm by generating lists of ideas based on your channel's value proposition. The more specific you are with your prompts, the more tailored and relevant the ideas will be. Dive into your community. Reddit threads, Facebook groups, YouTube comments, and even DMs. Every time you see a question asked more than once, that's a signal. These repeated questions are gold mines for content ideas because they show what your audience truly wants to know. Remember, the goal at this stage is quantity, not quality. Don't censor yourself or overthink whether an idea is good enough. Sometimes the wildest ideas spark the most engaging videos. Let your ideas flow freely. Write without judgment or hesitation. The more you practice this, the easier it becomes to generate creative concepts on demand. When you have a long list of ideas, you'll feel a sense of relief and excitement. This list becomes your creative fuel, removing the pressure of coming up with ideas on the spot and allowing you to focus on execution. When it's time to film, simply scan your list and pick the idea that excites you most in that moment. You'll always have something ready to go, no matter your mood or energy level. Having a bank of ideas is like a psychological cheat code. It boosts your confidence, keeps you consistent, and helps you avoid creative ruts. With a well-stocked idea bank, your channel keeps moving forward, your creativity stays sharp, and you'll never be stuck wondering what to make next. Not every idea is worth filming. Test them first. Treat your video title as a hypothesis and run small experiments. Post your idea on social media, Reddit, or YouTube's community tab to gauge interest. Look for real engagement, likes, comments, questions. Use feedback to refine your concept before investing hours in production. Even friends and family can help. Ask if they'd actually click your title. For your top ideas, run these tests and see which get the most traction. This turns content creation into a data-driven process, not a guessing game. Make videos you know people want before you hit record. Validate, then create. Now it's time to bring your idea to life. Film, edit, upload, analyze, repeat. This is the creative cycle that every successful YouTuber lives by. Each step is a chance to learn, improve, and get closer to your goals. Don't be intimidated by the process. Embrace it as your path to growth. Don't obsess over gear. Your phone and good audio are enough. The best creators started with what they had. Focus on clear visuals and crisp sound. These matter far more than expensive equipment. Use natural light, a simple mic, and your phone's camera to get started. Focus on delivering the promise in your title from the very first seconds. Hook your viewers right away. Don't waste time on long intros or filler. Let your audience know exactly what they'll get and why they should keep watching. Edit for speed and clarity. Cut every pause and keep the pace up. Every second should add value. Watch your video back and trim anything that doesn't serve the story or the viewer's interest. Fast, engaging edits keep people watching. Spend as much time on your thumbnail as your edit. It's the gatekeeper to your content. A great thumbnail grabs attention and makes people want to click. Test different designs, colors, and faces. See what pops on the YouTube homepage. Optimize your title for curiosity and search. Use keywords that people are looking for, but also spark intrigue. Your title should make viewers think, I need to see this. Brainstorm multiple options and pick the one that's both clear and compelling. After uploading, dive into analytics. Focus on click-through rate and audience retention. These numbers tell you how well your title and thumbnail are working and how engaging your video really is. Don't just look at views. Look at how people interact with your content. Where do viewers drop off? What worked? Study the moments where people leave and the parts where they stay engaged. This is your roadmap for improvement. Use this data to improve. Every video is a lesson. Write down what you learn and apply it to your next project. Small tweaks add up over time. This is the Super Mario effect in action. Learn, adapt, and try again. Treat every mistake as a power-up, not a setback. The more you experiment, the faster you'll level up your skills. Repeat the loop. Pick another validated idea, make the video, analyze, and improve. This cycle is the engine of growth. Each time you go through it, you get a little better, a little smarter, and a little closer to your goals. Consistency and iteration are how you grow. Show up regularly, even when it's tough. The creators who stick with it are the ones who see results. Don't chase one viral hit. Build a system and get 1% better each time. Growth is a marathon, not a sprint. Every video is a brick in the foundation of your channel. This is how you build a successful channel. One video, one lesson, and one improvement at a time. Keep going, keep learning, and your audience will grow with you. That's the 7-step framework. No more guesswork. You now have more strategic knowledge than most new creators. The only thing left is to start. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Success comes from understanding your audience, having a unique value proposition, and relentlessly improving. Make a commitment. If this helped, like and subscribe, and share your channel or goal in the comments. Let's make this the starting line for thousands of new creators. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you create.